Okay. Oh, it is 8:50.
It kind of looks like a nipple.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new. My name is Chayla, and today I am filming a get ready with me work edition. Today I work from 9:30 to 6. We're gonna say 9 to 5 because that just sounds a little bit better, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I get ready for work. Today is gonna be a little bit different, so I'm gonna talk to you guys about that in a little bit. But first thing that I have to do is brush my teeth, take a shower, do all stuff like that. So let's get started. Makeup is on now. I mean, wait, my makeup is not on. You guys would think I'm like crazy. So yeah, this is so satisfying to turn my mirror on. Okay, now the fact that I only put bronzer on the top half of my face, so I literally only put it on my forehead because wearing a mask all day, which really I didn't even need to put makeup on the bottom half, but I didn't want to do a straight line, so we're gonna do it like this. Okay, so today's morning is a little bit different. I normally would go to work at 9:30, but today I actually have to get my TB test, which is just something that some jobs require you get is a TB test. So I have to get that done at one of our other locations. So I have to do that at 10, which is why I am going to work a little bit later. So I'll probably get to work by like maybe like 10:45 maybe, but then I get off at 6. So that's what the game plan is. Trying to get this watch on, and yeah, so far my day is going good. It is Wednesday, so hump day. It's almost the end of the week. I'm so happy. My weeks are kind of going by a little fast, kind of going by a little slow. Like, I don't know, it's like iffy. It really is iffy. But so far, so good. My second week of work. I used one of my favorite foundations that I have not been using lately. It is just my Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. This used to be my favorite. I mean, I still love it, but this is an old foundation and I don't think this is my shade anymore. So Homegirl is a different color now. That's lovely. So it is 8:44. Gonna leave at around 9, get some breakfast. Think we might go to Chick-fil-A and get some chicken minis, just since the Chick-fil-A is right beside there. So I'm gonna go early because I don't have to be there till 10 o'clock. And then after that, head to work. Hopefully today will be a good day. Hopefully today goes by fast because I just want to go to sleep. Literally, that's all I want to do. But I hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, be sure to press that subscribe button. It helps me grow and I love every time I see a new subscriber. And also comment down below anything you guys want. If you guys just want to chat and say hey, commented, I will definitely be chatting with you guys. I love commenting on everyone's post. It literally makes me light up like Christmas talking to you guys. And also follow me on Instagram at chalaperry. Talk to me on there too. Doesn't really matter what form of communication, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for supporting me all the time, and have a good day. I for a split second thought about putting lipstick on, then I remembered I'm wearing a mask all day. Who needs lipstick? We have a mask. That's the only bad thing about like having a mask now. People at work, they don't know like if I'm like happy or not, since like they don't really know me. They don't know if like I'm happy or not because like I'm wearing a mask, so all they see is like my eyes. The struggle of COVID. About to go get some Chick-fil-A before heading out. It is 8:50. About to leave right now. So I'll catch you guys at Chick-fil-A and post TBD test. No, is it called a TB? That's to be determined. No, TB test. Okay, let's go. Ew, it's my battle wound. It kind of looks like a nipple. Okay, so I just got home from work and I realized I forgot to close out the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine work edition. Got my TB test up there, can barely see it. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Comment down below what you guys think. Comment, chat, say hey. Let's start the conversation going. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at chalaperry, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye guys.